What if I told you that a snack you eat every day, one you think is pretty harmless, could be silently damaging your kidneys? It's a wild thought, but many of us are making these mistakes without even knowing it. That innocent-looking bag of pretzels, that healthy trail mix, or even a simple piece of fruit could be part of a habit that's putting your body's master filtration system at risk. The damage often creeps up quietly, with no obvious symptoms, until it becomes a serious problem. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 of the best everyday snacks to protect your kidneys and shine a light on the common culprits you might want to avoid.
Our kidneys are 2 of the hardest working organs in your body. Think of them as a super advanced 24/7 purification plant. Every single day, they filter about 200 quarts of blood, pulling out waste and extra fluid, balancing your body's minerals, and even helping to regulate your blood pressure. When they're working well, you don't even notice them. But when their function starts to slip, it can trigger a cascade of serious health problems, from high blood pressure to heart disease, and eventually, kidney failure. The numbers are pretty staggering. Chronic kidney disease, or CKD, affects up to 850 million people around the world, and projections suggest that it could become the 5th leading cause of death globally by 2040. Perhaps the most alarming fact is that many people with chronic kidney disease, especially in the early stages, don't even know they have it. That's why it's often called a silent disease.
But here's the good news. You have more power than you think. One of the most powerful tools you have to protect your kidneys is your diet, and that includes your daily snacks. Making smart, simple swaps can dramatically reduce the strain on your kidneys, helping to keep them healthy for years to come. Today, we're not just going to list good foods. We're going to use a problem-solution framework. For each of our 7 points, we'll first call out a common snack that's a kidney trap and explain why it can be damaging. Then we'll reveal the kidney-safe swap, a delicious, satisfying, and smarter alternative. The information we're sharing is informed by the principles of health organizations like the National Kidney Foundation, so you can feel good about these choices. Let's get started. Our first kidney trap is one of the most popular go-to snacks on the planet: salted pretzels and potato chips. It's so easy to grab a bag when you're craving something crunchy and savory. But for your kidneys, a habit of eating these can be a real problem. The main villain here is sodium. Your body needs a little sodium to work right, but the amount packed into these snacks can be sky high. When you overload on sodium, your body holds on to water to dilute it. This increases the amount of blood in your bloodstream. Think of it like cranking up the pressure in a garden hose. This extra pressure puts a ton of strain on the tiny, delicate blood vessels in your kidneys called nephrons, which are in charge of filtering your blood. Over time, this constant high pressure can damage these filters, making them less effective. As kidney function gets worse, they have a harder time removing that excess sodium and fluid, which then makes blood pressure even higher. It's a vicious cycle. A habit of eating high-sodium snacks is a significant contributor to the high blood pressure that threatens long-term kidney health.
So what's the swap? If you want that satisfying crunch without the salt overload, turn to unsalted, air-popped popcorn. This is a fantastic swap for a few reasons. First, when you make it yourself without adding salt, it's naturally very low in sodium. This immediately takes that dangerous pressure off your kidneys. Second, popcorn is a whole grain, which means it's a great source of fiber. Fiber is a huge help for kidney health because it can help manage blood sugar and blood pressure, 2 of the biggest risk factors for kidney disease. The crunchy texture hits the same spot that chips and pretzels do, but in a much healthier way. You can easily add flavor without the salt by sprinkling on a little smoked paprika, garlic powder, or even nutritional yeast for a cheesy kick. This simple switch is a powerful first step in protecting your body's vital filters.
Next up is a snack many people think is the peak of health,
a bag of trail mix, usually loaded with dried fruits and nuts. While nuts and fruits are natural, this mix can be a hidden problem, specifically for people with moderate to advanced kidney disease. The two culprits here are potassium and phosphorus. Healthy kidneys are pros at filtering excess potassium from your blood, but when kidney function is already compromised, that ability declines. Potassium can build up to dangerous levels, a condition called hyperkalemia, which can mess with your heart's rhythm. Dried fruits like raisins, dates, and apricots are super concentrated sources of potassium because all the water has been removed. Likewise, many nuts are packed with both potassium and phosphorus. For people with healthy kidneys, these foods are generally great, but for those on a strict renal diet, this snack can overload the system.
So what's the kidney-safe swap? A bowl of fresh or frozen blueberries. Blueberries are a top-tier superfood for kidney health. They are a good, low-potassium fruit choice and are also low in sodium and phosphorus, making them one of the safest fruits for a renal diet. But their benefits go way beyond that. Blueberries are loaded with powerful antioxidants called anthocyanins, which give them that deep blue color. These antioxidants help fight inflammation and cellular damage throughout the body, including in the kidneys. Eating them frozen gives them a fantastic, slightly crunchy texture that's super satisfying. You get the sweetness you crave without the mineral overload that can be risky for damaged kidneys.
Our third kidney trap is another classic combo: processed cheese and salted crackers. This is a party platter staple, but it's a double whammy of ingredients that are tough on your kidneys. We've already talked about high-sodium crackers, which work just like chips to raise blood pressure. But the processed cheese is where a sneakier ingredient hides: phosphorus additives. There are two kinds of phosphorus: the organic kind, found naturally in foods, and the inorganic kind used as an additive in processed foods. Your body absorbs less than half of the natural phosphorus, but it absorbs a very high percentage of inorganic phosphate additives. These additives, with names like sodium phosphate, are used to improve texture and shelf life in foods like processed cheese, deli meats, and sodas. When your kidneys are damaged, they can't filter out this excess phosphorus. This buildup can pull calcium from your bones and cause dangerous calcification in your blood vessels and heart.
So, what's the better, kidney-safe alternative? Fresh cucumber slices with a small serving of low-sodium hummus. This swap is genius because it tackles both the sodium and phosphorus problems. Cucumbers are hydrating and naturally very low in sodium, potassium, and phosphorus. They give you that awesome, refreshing crunch that replaces the cracker. Paired with hummus, you get a creamy, flavorful dip that's full of benefits. Hummus is made from chickpeas, a great source of plant-based protein and fiber. The key here is to read the label and pick a low-sodium brand, or better yet, whip up your own at home where you control the salt. This snack is not only safe but actively beneficial, giving you hydration, fiber, and healthy protein without the damaging duo of high sodium and phosphate additives.
We're about halfway through, and I hope you're already seeing how easy these swaps can be. If you're finding this information valuable and want to keep learning how to take control of your health with smart, simple choices, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Your support helps us make more content just like this, and you won't miss our future videos on protecting your long-term health. Thanks, and let's get back to it.
Kidney trap number 4 is a popular low-carb snack, the deli meat roll-up. While it might look like a healthy, high-protein choice, it's often loaded with hidden kidney stressors. The main issues are sodium and phosphorus additives, but also the protein itself. Processed deli meats are famous for being injected with sodium solutions to preserve them and add flavor. As we know, this drives up blood pressure. On top of that, like processed cheese, many deli meats contain those highly absorbable phosphate additives. Beyond that, for someone with already damaged kidneys,
A diet that's extremely high in animal protein can be an issue. When your body processes protein, it creates waste, mainly urea, that your kidneys have to filter out. A very high protein diet forces struggling kidneys into overdrive, which can speed up the decline in their function.
So what's the smarter protein-packed swap? 2 hard-boiled egg whites. This is one of the most highly recommended protein sources for a renal diet, and here's why. Egg whites provide excellent, high-quality protein, meaning they supply the essential amino acids your body needs with very little waste. Crucially, the vast majority of an egg's phosphorus is in the yolk. By eating only the whites, you get pure protein without a heavy phosphorus load. This is perfect for getting the protein you need for muscle and tissue repair without overburdening your kidneys. You can eat them plain or add a dash of salt-free mustard or a sprinkle of paprika for flavor. It's a simple, portable, and perfectly balanced protein snack that supports your kidneys instead of straining them.
Moving on to trap number 5, the convenient and often misleadingly marketed cereal or granola bar. It's sold as a wholesome, on-the-go snack, but many are just candy bars in disguise, packed with refined sugars, unhealthy fats, and often a surprising amount of sodium and phosphate additives. High sugar intake is a major contributor to high blood pressure and diabetes, the 2 leading causes of chronic kidney disease. On top of that, many of these bars use processed grains and contain hidden phosphate additives, just like the other processed foods we've mentioned. They give you a quick energy spike followed by a crash, and they do it while actively contributing to the very conditions that harm your kidneys.
What is the perfect, naturally sweet and kidney protective alternative? Fresh apple slices with a sprinkle of cinnamon. This snack is a total winner. Apples are a fantastic low-potassium fruit, making them a safe choice for a renal diet. They are also rich in a type of soluble fiber called pectin, which can help manage blood sugar levels by slowing down sugar absorption. It also helps lower cholesterol, which is vital because heart disease and kidney disease go hand in hand. And the cinnamon is more than just flavor. Some studies suggest it may help improve insulin sensitivity, which further assists with blood sugar control. This snack gives you satisfying sweetness and a great crunch, all while delivering fiber and antioxidants that actively support your kidney and heart health. Our 6th kidney trap is the single-serving flavored yogurt cup. Plain yogurt can be a health food, but the flavored kinds that fill the dairy aisle are a different animal. The main problem is the insane amount of added sugar. A small container of fruit-flavored yogurt can contain as much or even more sugar than a donut. This leads to the same problems of high blood sugar and inflammation we just talked about. But there's another issue. Some yogurts, especially thicker ones, can contain phosphate additives for texture. And while dairy naturally has phosphorus, the combo of natural phosphorus with tons of added sugar makes it a less than ideal snack for someone looking out for their kidneys. For a much healthier, creamy, and crunchy snack, the kidney-safe swap is raw red bell pepper slices with a kidney-friendly yogurt dip. Let's break this down. Red bell peppers are a nutritional powerhouse for kidney health. They are incredibly low in potassium and packed with vitamins C, A, and B6. Their potent antioxidants, especially vitamin C, help protect your kidney cells from damage. They provide a sweet, satisfying crunch. Now, for the dip, start with a small portion of plain, low-fat Greek yogurt. To this, add your own salt-free seasonings like dill, garlic powder, and a squeeze of lemon juice to create a delicious, savory dip. This way, you control everything. You get the creaminess and protein from the yogurt without the sugar and additives, and you pair it with a veggie that is actively good for your kidneys. Our final kidney trap is a snack many of us grew up with: peanut butter on salted crackers. We already know that salted crackers are a major source of blood pressure-raising sodium, but let's talk about the peanut butter.
Many commercial brands have added salt and sugar. On top of that, for those with impaired kidney function, peanut butter's naturally higher levels of potassium and phosphorus can be a concern, especially in large amounts. This swap makes two key changes. First, switching from salted crackers to an unsalted rice cake slashes the sodium. Second, you have to be picky with your peanut butter. Choose a natural kind where the only ingredient is peanuts and maybe a tiny bit of salt, though none is best. This avoids the extra sugars and oils. Most importantly, portion control is everything. Stick to about 1 tablespoon. This small amount gives you healthy fats and protein for energy without delivering an excessive load of potassium or phosphorus. It's a mindful change that lets you enjoy a classic flavor in a way that's much kinder to your kidneys. Taking charge of your kidney health doesn't have to mean a boring diet. It's not about deprivation. It's about making smart, conscious substitutions. Each of these swaps is a small step, but when you do them consistently, they add up to a powerful defense for your kidneys. By reducing your intake of sodium and phosphate additives and being mindful of potassium if your doctor has told you to, while upping your fiber and antioxidants, you are actively working to preserve your kidney function for the long haul. Remember, your daily choices build your future health. Thank you so much for watching. I truly hope this guide has empowered you to make healthier snacking choices. What is your favorite kidney-friendly snack? Let us all know in the comments below. You might give someone else a great new idea. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more evidence-based health tips. Don't forget to check out our other video on kidney-friendly foods for even more crucial dietary information. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.